IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What kind of flowers do you like the most? Band 5. Answer.
I like roses the most because they are very beautiful and popular. They have a nice smell and people often give them as gifts. I think they are good flowers.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Some repetition. Grammar. Mostly correct, but very simple. Pronunciation. Usually clear, but not expressive. Typical of a Band 5. Safe, short, and a bit forgettable. Band 7.5. Answer.
I'm quite fond of lilies because they look elegant and have a strong but pleasant scent. I often associate them with calm environments like gardens or quiet rooms, which I really enjoy.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, logically connected. Lexical resource. Good range. Fond of. Elegant. Associate. Grammar. Varied and accurate structures. Pronunciation. Clear with some natural stress. Typical of a Band 7.5. Natural, descriptive, and confidently human. Band 9. Answer.
I'm particularly drawn to wildflowers, mainly because they feel more authentic and unpolished. I like the idea that they grow naturally without much human intervention. It makes them feel more meaningful to me.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless and reflective. Lexical resource. Precise, nuanced vocabulary. Grammar. Flexible, complex, and accurate. Pronunciation. Natural rhythm and emphasis. Typical of a Band 9. Thoughtful, personal, and quietly impressive. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.